Okay, rewrite this statement as a conditional in if-then form. Identify the hypothesis and conclusion. Every geometry student has a project to complete. You first are a geometry student, then you have a project. So if you are a geometry student, then you have a project to complete. This is your hypothesis, and this is your conclusion. So the hypothesis is you're a geometry student. The conclusion is you have a project. Okay, an angle of 40 degrees is acute. If an angle is 40 degrees, then it is acute. That's your if-then form. This is your hypothesis. And this right here is your conclusion. So your hypothesis is if the angle is 40 degrees. Your conclusion is if it's acute. Number 26, tell whether this statement is true or false. If false, give us a counterexample. If you are a senior, then you will graduate this year. That should be true, but it could be false if you don't get all your papers right. So the counterexample would be a senior that fails classes, right? If angle A and angle B are both right angles, A and B, then angle A and B have the same measure. Okay, that is true, isn't it? Because if they're both right angles, they're both 90, isn't they? And then we're going to go down to 29, which is a counter example for the conjecture all prime numbers are odd. 5 is prime. 5 is a prime number and it's odd, so that's true. 2 is prime, but it's not what? This right here proves that, it checks that, but this is false, right? A counterexample makes it true and then false. So this right here is a counterexample, isn't it? $89 is an odd number. It's not referring to the prime numbers, it's going to this one. So the counterexample must refer to it being a prime number. So this one's not a counterexample. So the only one that works is B.